Come test drive the 2019 Ford Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.